Noble, I bought a magnetic cell phone holder for the Audi A3, but I don't know how to install it. I'm thinking of changing my air conditioning outlet or the air conditioning ring. How can I change it to install it? What do I need to do? Alright, let's go. You'll either use these plastic keys here so you can disassemble it, or if you have one with you, you're going to use the cell phone holder yourself. Use the base, right? This is the base that I use, okay? Are you going to fit it here behind the air outlet, then push it up? Or are you going to use this key to loosen it? This is how I normally do it. I use either this one or this plastic key. So I place the plastic key here, I push it straight on each side, and release the air conditioning outlet on both sides. Okay, once you've loosened it, what do? You don't even need to remove the entire outlet, okay? If you want to remove it completely, just pull and it comes out completely in your hand, alright? Keep this in mind, it has a guide pin on each side. So when installing, you have to align it with this little hole here on these side guide pins. But if you want to install the cell phone holder, you don't even need to remove it. 100%, just move the two sides apart, fit it here. This other side you move a little further to be able to pass the cell phone holder. It fits. Just push it back until the end. There you go, cell phone holder installed, very simple. Just put your cell phone here and perfect. It's already attached here for you, very safe, very secure. There's no problem at all, very simple, very fast, and easy. This is a type of content that only the Noble Motorsport channel delivers to you and no one else in the market. I guarantee you that it is exclusive content. So leave us a like, because we are the only ones who create this type of content, teaching and showing you how car accessory installation and uninstallation is done in a step-by-step manner. Coming up right after this video, we will show you how to dismantle the multimedia center screen, this entire screen. We've already shown how to completely dismantle this bar here from the selection modes, so you can put the select drive on. Okay, we've also shown in other videos how to change the analog air conditioning to the digital one. There are many more videos here of installation, uninstallation, assembly, disassembly, and how to change the gear knob and disassemble the complete center console, okay? We create this type of content, we only deliver it to you. So it's a lot of work assembling and disassembling the car. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel to always receive all the new information, all the new videos that only the Noble Coding channel that talks about coding and retrofit delivers here for you, okay? Goodbye everyone, see you all later.